Hi, I'm Jake, and on today's rig rundown, we're looking at the Sherwood 14-inch heavy-duty bandsaw with electronic variable speed. So a couple of quick key features. It has 14-inch cast iron wheels. It's got 335mm cutting throat, 345mm cutting height, and of course, the electronic variable speed. But let's get into it. So going from the top to bottom, it's got your quick release blade change lever at the top. And then if we open her up, as usual, you've got your 14-inch cast iron wheels. And you've got your heavy duty blade guard as well, with ceramic bearings. So as with the rest of Sherwood's heavy duty range, it features a solid cast iron top with a heavy duty rip fence setup. It's also a 45-degree tilt table as well. As well as that, it features a quick change blade release slot in the tabletop, so it means changing your blades out is much easier. And down below, underneath the table, are two 4-inch dust ports. So you may be asking, what advantage does electronic variable speed have in your bandsaw? It's mostly designed for people who are cutting a combination of wood and or metal, or soft metals, even cast iron if you need to. The advantage of dropping the speed down means that you can cut these metals easier. It also saves having to have two separate bandsaws, one designed for wood and one designed for metal. That means it'll save you a ton on floor space. So if you're making gun stocks or you're making knives, then this is the machine for you. But let's talk about the EVS now. So you've got your mains power, you've got your operating power. You want to make sure that the mains power is on, otherwise the operating power won't function. So I've got that started, and then just hit run. And as you can hear, even for a bandsaw, it's quite quiet. Now you've got your adjustable speed here, and then it'll tell you your feet per minute. That's telling you how fast it's spinning. Just turn it up and turn it down depending on the operation. So as you can see, this one tops out about just over 3,000 feet per minute. It'll also bottom out at about probably 60, roughly 70 feet per minute as the slower speed. But the slower speed, as you'll see on the cheat sheet that comes on the side of the machine, the slowest recommended speed is about 150 to 200 for cutting cast iron. Anything harder than that, it's not really recommended that you cut with this bandsaw. So while we're talking about the machine, which is arguably the most important feature of this bandsaw, it's a 240 volt 4-pole motor and it runs off a 10 amp circuit. So you don't even need to worry about getting an electrician out. This should be ready to go straight out of the box. And if that's not enough, as standard with these heavy duty bandsaws, on the side you'll find your change bucket and your luthier's coat rack on the side as well as the 5-year manufacturer's warranty as standard. And that's it for another video. So for any more information, just hit the links below. Make sure you like, subscribe and share the channel to help us grow, and we'll see you in the next video.